Ducky, ducky.
You gotta throw it farther.
It's your turn. Okay.
Stay away from the water. Come here, come here, come here. Throw more to him. Say here, ducky. Did you just eat one? They're for the ducks. Throw it at them. Come on, throw them one. They're hungry.
Hey, ducky.
Careful. You're eating they're eating the duck food. Throw them one. All right, throw them the rest, and then we'll leave. Okay. Tell them here, ducky.
Hey, ducky. No.
Okay. Good job.